In today's video, we're diving into a crucial aspect of your gameplay, customizing your crosshair for those intense finals. Stick around, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Alright, to begin customizing your crosshair, head over to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find the Options menu. Click on it, and then navigate to the Settings tab. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Gameplay tab. Click on it, and here's where the magic happens, the crosshair customization options. You'll see a bunch of options to fine-tune your crosshair. First up, you can adjust the width. Experiment with this to find the perfect balance for your playstyle. Now, let's talk about the outline. You can modify both the width and color of the outline, giving your crosshair that extra visibility in the heat of the finals. Next, decide if you want a central dot in your crosshair. You can enable or disable it right here. If you choose to keep it, you can also adjust the radius of the dot, tailoring it to your preference. Moving on, customize the color of your crosshair. Whether you prefer a bold red or a subtle green, the choice is yours. Additionally, you can tweak the opacity of the entire crosshair, find that sweet spot that works best for you. And there you have it. That's how you tailor your crosshair for the finals. Remember to experiment and find what feels most comfortable for you. If you found this guide helpful, leave a like, subscribe for more gaming content, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, happy gaming, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.